Now, US President Donald Trump has been touting several deals this month after roiling financial markets with his Liberation Day tariff announcements. In recent weeks, he's hailed UK and the China trade deals as well. In this next report, we decode how these deals have sparked more questions with few answers as they lack the details. The latest of which is the Saudi defense deal as well. Take a look.
The US administration called the $142 billion defense deal with Saudi Arabia the largest defense sales agreement in history. However, critics aren't so sure. During Trump's West Asian tour this week, he unveiled a massive defense contract that seemed to cover a lot of ground. Improvements to the Air Force and space missile defense, coastal protection and more. The defense deal, like the larger $600 billion economic deal, is vague and lacks clear details. The administration's critics have raised concerns about the $142 billion deal. Saudi Arabia's total allocation for defense is $78 billion this year. That is, according to Bruce Radel, a non-resident senior scholar at the Brookings Institution. Radel, a former senior US intelligence and national security official, said its great publicity makes it look like this trip was spectacularly successful. He added, the numbers don't add up. The deal lacks specifics. Experts point out that it may include repurposed previous deals and not entirely new. Saudi Arabia's ability to afford massive defense purchases also in question. Indeed, the capacity of the kingdom to finance large-scale military deals in the face of falling oil prices and heavy domestic spending is another possible obstacle. The country has been forced to borrow as Saudi's national debt increased by $30 billion in the March quarter, reaching a new high. Previous US administrations have a long history of repurposing previous deals into sweeping, headline-grabbing agreements for presidents to sign during trips. Trump did it before during his first-term trip to Saudi Arabia in 2017. Back then, he announced the Saudis would spend $110 billion on US weapons to modernize the kingdom's military. However, according to a State Department fact sheet in January, to date, the 2017 deal has yielded just a touch more than $30 billion. More importantly, currently there are more than $129 billion in active military sales to Saudi Arabia from the United States. So unless there is more clarity and details, the deals announced recently are just headline-grabbing optics. Business Bureau, WION World is One.